we are going to discuss about functions. So first of all, let me discuss what exactly function is. A PowerShell function is a group of commands with a function name that is used to represent the function and to call the function in different script or code. We can think of function as a short name of code block, like we use alias as a short code for a command, a PowerShell command. In the same way, we use a function as the short name of a code block. By default, a PowerShell function is only available in the session in which it is created. Once the session is closed, the PowerShell function is also gone. In case we need to save the function so that we can use it again in our next session, or in case we want that whenever we open a PowerShell session, our function should be present over there, what we can do for such thing is like we can save the PowerShell function in profile. We can see all the functions which are inbuilt as well as the functions which we have created by using function PS drive, right? So like we use C drive, D drive or any other drive to see the files and folders in a computer or in a drive. In the same way, we use function PS drive to see what functions are there in the current session available. The benefits of using PowerShell functions are like it increase the reusability of code, means we can use the same code again and again in different scripts or in the same script. Also, it reduces the length of code because we don't have to use the code again and again, or we don't have to write the code again and again. What we can do is simply write a function code once and then call that function again and again, because we are not using the lengthy code. So obviously the complexity of code is also reduced. By default, a PowerShell function only exists in the scope in which we created. Like suppose we create a function in our console, then it has a global scope by default. If we create a function in a script, then it has the scope of script by default, means we cannot use the function out of that script. In case we want to change the scope of a PowerShell function, we can use global keyword to change the scope of a function. By default, functions create a scope. Like if we create a variable in a function, then that variable has a scope of function only, means we can use that variable in that particular function only by default. In case we want to change the scope of that variable, again we have to use the modifier. We have discussed in detail like how we can change the scope of a variable in our previous classes of variables section. Please refer that in case you want to know in detail like how we can change the scope of variables. As I already told, global scope functions can be used in scripts, in functions and at the command line. Now these are some best practices that we should follow while creating a function. Even if we don't follow these best practices, still we can work with functions, but best practices always good to follow. Like we should name the function as default naming conventions of commands. Like as we have already seen, a command is made up of two parts basically. First part is verb and second part is noun. So in the same way, we should try to name the function as well. Like suppose we are trying to get the information of a system, then we can name the function as like get hyphen computer information, or in the same manner, right? So first part of the function should represent a verb and second part of the function should contain noun. Now this is the syntax of a function that we use when we create a function. So basically we create a function using the keyword function. We can choose any name of our function, right? So here we can choose the name of function, and then after naming the function, we define the code in curly brackets, and we will see all these things in more detail in our coming demo.